everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 3 dresses for summers because all of these are made of cotton material, so it will be very relaxing and the colors are also very summery and vibrant. So yes, without further ado, let's just get on to the video. And yes, I'm filming here in the car because there is a lot of construction noise happening, so I just thought that the only way to somehow film this video is a peaceful place like this. So yes, we have a different setup for today's video. First dress is this brown shirt dress. It's a very pretty dress and it's very comfortable. You can see that it has a collared shirt kind of fit on the top, and it has this orange and peach kind of floral design running throughout the dress. It's a knee length kind of dress and the size which I was wearing is M size. The upper part has this button details till the waist area and then the flare starts. And yes, this is from the brand Dressberry. The price which I ordered it for was rupees 317 and current price is 359. And this particular dress, out of all the dresses, I think this is the only dress which is of polycotton kind of material, like not fully cotton but it's a polycotton, wherein you will see that it's not easily getting crushed. It's a very comfortable and casual dress. You can wear it for anything, like even for a grocery shopping or going out with friends or any lunch or something like that. So yes, a very comfortable dress to have in your wardrobe. Moving on to the next dress, it's a very pretty summery vibes wala dress and it has this mandarin collar and also button closure which goes till the waist, and it's a long midi kind of dress, and also it has this belt, so basically a tie-up detail will be there around your waist area and it kind of cinches your waist, so it actually looks good and very comfortable, very breathable fabric because this one is pure cotton. If you look at it, there is no shine or anything, it's proper cotton material, and I'm pretty sure after the wash it will be even more soft to wear and very comfortable to wear. And it's a sleeveless dress. So this is from the brand Here and Now and the size which I'm wearing is M size. I got it at offer time and it was priced at rupees 284 and currently it is priced at rupees 399. But it's a very comfortable dress to have. Only one thing what I feel about this dress is it's a pretty dress but it is a bit transy. Can you see the background? Yeah, so if you're not very comfortable with wearing a bit transy long dresses, then you can skip this dress. But yes, my job is to let you know, so I am letting you know on that part. Moving on to the third dress, it's a beautiful bluish green kind of dress which has nice pretty maroon flowers all over. Same design throughout the dress. Out of all the dresses, this particular design is my favorite because I really like how this looks from the distance as well. So yes, let's talk about the details of this dress. So here if you see, it has a round neck, feels more like a halter neck, and yes, sleeveless, and it has a button closure at the back. This is how it looks. The side cuts, the sleeves really look pretty, and around the waist area it has the pleats detail, so it's a gathered waist, and the length of it is like for my height, which is 5'3", 5'4" ke beech mein. So this one comes just below the knee and very comfortable to wear. And most important thing is, out of all the 3 dresses which I've shown, this particular cotton material is my favorite because I really find these kind of material which are thick at the same time absorbs your sweat, and it also is not transy at all and very soft and comfortable to wear. So this is the kind of cotton material I really love wearing. The size which I'm wearing here is M, but only one thing which I feel is that if you are of M size, then buy a size down, basically go for a size S because the sleeves are kind of big. So what happens is, even though it's a bit loose or comfortable around the waist, but this particular thing is too long and it's not well fitted in the underarm area. So I feel that if you buy one size smaller, it will be well fitted on the top, and anyways the waist is flared, so you really don't have to worry about the fitting part of it around the waist. So buy one size smaller in this particular dress alone. So this one is from the brand Here and Now and the price which I got it for was rupees 312, and currently it is priced at for rupees 374. So that's it girls, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did then please take a moment to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for my next videos. And my Insta handle will be somewhere here. There are a lot of updates and a lot of videos come there before, because I put them out as reel and then it comes as a long form video. So if you want to get the initial updates then you can follow me there. I'll see you girls in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.